Hi and aloha. Today we are going to be unboxing the Google Pixel Watch 3 with Fitbit. Comes in a nice recycled cardboard packaging this year, which is, nice. They're trying to do something for the environment since I heard these ones aren't repairable. So at least they're doing something good when they should also be thinking about having a repairable watch because, people break those kind of things. So here we go. We got in here. Oh, there's the watch. What else we got? This side you pull this way. Bam. Oh, and there are the bands. Last year they were kind of hidden. I could not find them for a while. I had to write them, and then I realized I just was not able to find them, so they give you 3. None of them were big enough last year. We'll have to see. And then here we go. Here is the new watch. Let's give it a try. Bigger one. Let's hope it fits this year. Okay. Here we go. Can I do it? It's bigger than last year's bands, I think. Maybe. There we go. Comparison with the year before's. Let's do a power on. Also comes with the power adapter in the box, which is always nice. Okay, we got the big G for Google. Long boot up. Instructions to how to do things. Still booting. Oh, now we got a line. Side by side.